Hello, everybody. Robbie Diggs here, and I just wanted to give anybody who maybe has been hiding under a rock for the past few years and has not tried ChatGPT yet, um, for not only everyday life items, but especially when it comes to marketing for their business. If you don't know what to do or you've run out of ideas for marketing, ChatGPT is absolutely incredible. Now, I don't recommend to rely on it 100% as far as giving you ideas and sort of combating that blank page syndrome where maybe you don't know where to start. So I'm just going to give you a quick little demonstration. This is chatgpt.com. You can use the free version or you can log in and create a premium account, which would give you more unlimited usage of it. If you have the free version, they'll kind of limit you to a certain number of, replies and back and forths per day. So I'm going to pretend I have a bookkeeping business and I want some marketing ideas. Okay, so I'm simply going to just basically inform and prime ChatGPT first who I am. So I have a bookkeeping business called Bookkeeping ABC. Oops. So I don't even need two K's there or two E's. Oh well. You can actually make typos and it knows what you're talking about. All right. What are some marketing ideas I can use to engage my previous clients? All right, so we're going to enter that and let's see what it comes back up with here. All right. Client check-in emails. Send personalized emails checking in on how their business is doing. When's the last time you've done that with your business? Offer a free review of their financials or a bookkeeping tip tailored to their industry. Very nice. Exclusive client discounts. Offer a loyalty to customers. Monthly finance tips email. Share practical bookkeeping and financial management tips. Include reminders for tax deadlines. Yeah, I'm sure this one probably already doing that. Feature a client spotlight to showcase your customers and build engagement. That's a good idea. Re-engagement campaign. If the client hasn't used your services in a while, send a "We Miss You" email. Offer a free bookkeeping health checkup. So look, I'm not going to go through and read every single one of these, but let's say we want to do a little social media engagement. Let's drill down on that a little bit. First of all, though, I mean, this is just a great start for just a first reply. I mean, they're giving you 10 great ideas of how you can market your business. Maybe you're doing some of these already. Maybe you are doing some, but have kind of hit a wall and you want to explore something deeper. So let's just go off of number five. Okay, I like number five. Let's explore that a bit more. Okay, so now it's starting to give me some actual strategies. Client success stories, start posting testimonials, quick bookkeeping tips and hacks. Okay. Finance myth busting, spell common bookkeeping or tax myths. So look, none of this is like rocket science or anything, but what was that? In 3 minutes, now I have like a whole, probably a month's worth of ways that I could engage just on social media. If I want to just do a few of these every week or so, that's a great way to put out probably some new content that you maybe haven't been doing. So look, it's even offering us a posting schedule, 3 to 4 posts per week, maybe one video per week. It's giving us engagement strategies. And pay attention to these questions it's going to ask you at the bottom because it's offering to, push this project along further for you. Would you like help creating a batch of pre-written posts or templates for your first few weeks of social media engagement. Sure. Here's a batch of pre-written social media posts for bookkeeping ABC, optimized for Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn. Sweet. Look at that. It's giving you client success and relatable humor. So I encourage you to check this out for your business. Um, Embrace the future. I mean, AI is here to stay, obviously, and there's actually just a lot of uses for business and in your everyday personal life too, that you can really harness this power. So I encourage you all to try it and let me know if you have any questions. We'll see you soon.